Hey guys, today I'm going to show you kinetic sand. And I'm with my friends here, Rubble, Chase, and Sky, my favorite. And first I'm going to show you the first shape. Let's get to it. So, here's the first shape, guys. It's right over here. Next shape. With the green color. Guys, the shape is done with a green color, and it's a seashell. And yeah, guys, next shape. Alright guys, the shape is done again. And yeah, I love the heart shape. And yeah, next shape, guys. Next shape is done, guys. I love hearts. So, yeah. Kinetic sand, you could, this is kind of like melting. Like ice cream melting. I love kinetic sand just because of that. It's so, like, soft and stuff. And, yeah, you could, like, stretch, you could, it's kind of like slime, but it's not slime. It's kinetic sand, and I love kinetic sand. You could, like, build it, and then it will melt again. And, yeah, I love kinetic sand. Even if you make it like that, it's gonna melt. But I love kinetic sand. My friends love it too. And yeah, you could even like hold it and then squish it, and it will come up and come down. And I like that. Yeah. And you could even get the box thing and put it like this, and it could melt on the floor or table, just like that. It's like so satisfying. It's really super satisfying. It might get your hands dirty, but you can wash your hands after. And yeah, I'm gonna try it with the green color now. It works for any sand, guys. Red, purple if there is, blue, green, like that. Any color and any type of sand. It makes like a mountain thing, like a rock. And yeah, I love kinetic sand. You could even take it out, and it might, you could like put it again on top over that, and it will still melt. It will still melt. But you're gonna have to flatten it so it can melt like that, like ice cream. It's melting right there. And sand, like this kind of sand melts a lot. It melts so much. And just like that, it's fixed and it's not melting. And it makes a shape, I guess. And yeah, it's very cool. You could even like squish it like that, and you could make it like this too. And it might melt a little, but it won't melt a lot. You could like do it like this and stuff, and what? It could even, it might stretch, it might be able to stretch, but I think it's gonna make some cracks, so yeah. It's really foamy, kind of. It melts in my hands, just like that. When I stretch my hands out like this, it melts for some reason. And yeah, so when I put it in my hands, it melts. I love kinetic sand because it's like super duper satisfying. And when it's like satisfying, it's really cool. So that's why I love it. It's like it's snowing and melting like ice cream at the same time. Like it's snowing sand and melting at the same time. But it's so cool. And that's really cool. And when you do it like that, you could like put shapes like this. You could put them all mixed together, and it will still make a creation. It will make a great creation. If you just put a lot of things together, it's gonna make something good and new. Just like that. I don't know what that is, but you could do it. So yeah, this is the end of my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit that bell button. So yeah, bye. Peace.